Digital. I'm a blogger. My question goes for both of you. Aside from the cheesy bacon, mushroom, yum, what other Jollibee favorites?
My favorite? I really like the honey glaze. The honey glaze chicken.
The honey glaze chicken. I grew up with the spaghetti.
Yes!
Oh,
sorry, nag-react ako.
Diba? And I grew up with it talaga ever since I was a little girl.
Yeah, I agree.
And the Jolly Hot Dog and the peach mango pie,
Yes.
everything na.
High five, high
This
five.
is lahat.
High five.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Nakita nga ni Risa eh, nakadalawang spaghetti ako bago tayo lumabas.
Kasi yung spaghetti nung kasama po na.
Sorry.
At yung chicken joy yung kasama na.
Kinain ko na, pasensya.
Hi sir, what's your name?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm John from Tumblr. My question is actually for both of you. We already know that you're like the hottest couple today, but what we want to come from you. What makes the Jadee partnership great?
Yung mga fans nag-react, JD. What makes it really work? Why is there so much chemistry, I guess?
We've been asked this question many times.
But we really don't know. Parang, I think it's just, I don't know bakit ba?
Like when you look at each other, alam nyo na, gano'n? Parang,
Parang we can't explain why our chemistry is like that. I mean, we can't explain why we make people click.
okay.
Siguro we should ask the fans.
Naku, ang haba na sagot niyan. Ang daming
Kasi
sasagot
so many
niyan.
times, siguro because of the chemistry.
And there are some things, diba Risa, there are some things you can't explain eh.
Yes eh.
Talagang they fall into
Hindi
place.
mo kaya i-explain talaga. But you know na it works na lang eh.
Very natural.
Yes, and it's very unexplainable. So,
And we should be thankful
Right.
that it works kasi.
and we love it.
We do.
Thank you po.
Swerte
Thank
natin.
you.
Swerte natin.
Okay, we'll make room for maybe last two.
Two more questions.
Last two. Hi, sir. Meron siyang capture na video.
Hey, hashtag, sir.
Of course. Hashtag CPM. Yes, go ahead. Hashtag Jollibee. Or, hey, is the Jollibee your name?
I am Albert from PNS Avenida. So question is, how do you describe your relationship status?
And we have a commercial and we will be back after. Sorry, nasa talk show ako.
Me and James, sir, we have this, what do you call this? Parang label na we came up. Ayun, yung partners in crime. Wala lang, parang tignan na lang ginawa ko siyang caption sa Instagram. Parang I thought it was very unique and very different. Parang it's not the usual. So yun, ginawa ko yun. Since then, yun na yung relationship namin, parang partners in crime. Parang may a team, ganyan.
In whatever.
Ganon, in whatever.
Don't take it literally, ah. Please.
Wag.
Ano lang ibig sabihin? Lagi sila magkasama.
Yes.
Lagi
Ayun,
na.
and we're really close na.
Right.
Follow up. I've been to almost all of your Jadee Fever
Yes,
tours.
yes.
So, among the Jadee Fever tours that you had, I think extra special. Kasi marami kayong nakakabili na ginawa ko. Ano yung extra special?
Lahat ng ganun.
Top of your head.
Lahat ng Jadee Fever tour namin kasi.
Hugot ka ng isa.
I think you agree when I say the special one was the last one.
Yeah, it was the last
I'm a
one.
presenter.
Yes, it was the last one and anniversary kasi namin. So it's very special yung day na yun kasi we celebrated our anniversary together and with the J-Teens also. So very special siya. Kasama sa lahat. Thank you! One last. Okay.
For the gift, sa anong ginawang effort ni James na pinakakilig?
Effort. Okay, sige.
Sa lahat-lahat, ha?
Sa lahat-lahat, pwede ba two?
Sige, dalawa. First.
This was yung birthday ko and yung Valentine's Day. Kasi yung birthday ko, costume talaga siya that time. Like, at least Scissorhands talaga siya. Parang, ha? O, tsaka siya yun. Wala lang, super grabe. Super na-appreciate ko yun. Super nag siya. And yung Valentine's Day, of course, I was really, really happy. So I got flowers, mga surprises in the car. Nice. It was really different. It was a new experience, syempre with James. Wonderful.
Good job, my man.
Thank you.
Good job, good
Thank
job.
you. One last one.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm seeing this up close, Riza. So
Hello.
I'm watching them in action.
Hi, my name is Karina Rebecca. This question is for James. Question ko lang, sino inspiration mo sa gawa ng album mo? So, what makes Janine so extra special? Extra special. What and why?
Album first.
Actually, the album is composed mainly by Tyron Yumi. So, yeah, they chose the song. I mean, they came up with the demos, but I chose the songs personally. And what makes Janine special?
Extra special.
Makes it special. For me, I always thought that it was because, you know, our fans are so amazing. I mean, they go to every single show, especially that they had ASAP when they went from ASAP to the show. It's amazing. Because I can't believe that you guys are the best. And I know you know we love you.
Good job. Well, that's all you need to hear. That's right. Because there are many reasons, I'm sure, that makes JP very special. All right, Riza.